Do you want to be able to use the CapCut bot template on TikTok? Well, then you've come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app called CapCut, and you can find the app both on App Store and on Google Play Store as well. Just search for CapCut and download the app. And now when you have downloaded the app, then we are just going to go into our TikTok app. And in here, we're actually going to click where it says home in the bottom left corner, because then we should be taken here. Now click on the search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the search symbol. And in here, you need to search for bot meme. So search for bot meme in here. Then just choose a random video in here. And when you have done so, then you need to actually, as you can see where it says CapCut, try this template, click here. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says use template in CapCut. Then I should be taken straight to the CapCut like app right now. And as you can see, I'm now on the CapCut app right now. And basically you should now be taken here. What you need to do in here is to click where it says use template in the bottom right corner. So click on use template. And then what you need to do is to basically just like select the video that you actually want to have on that bot like template basically. So yeah, this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.